Guys, the London developer here. Today I am going to be doing a MacBook Pro unboxing. Now I've not done many unboxing videos, but I think it's kind of cool. I watched many myself when I was whenever I buy stuff online, it's always cool to kind of go to Amazon and check. You know what, might as well open up, see how someone's opening up something, what comes in the box, and all that stuff. So if any one of you that are looking to buy a new Mac, etc., I hope this is useful and handy in any way. The videos that I saw were really nice as well. Now, being a developer, I'm purely front end, but I do some full stack development as well. But I'm going to be using this for a lot of stuff. So let's see. The specs itself are well, I'll show you the specs at the end. Anyway, let's just get to it. So, well, this is not very easy. I'm going to pause the video and open it. Okay, well, that needed two hands just to kind of let the vacuum and the air get out of it. And there you got the MacBook M1. I went with the space gray color. I think it's the space gray, the darker color. And let's get straight to it. So they've opened it. It's nice and smooth, cool. As you can see, it's very, very slimline, and a classic 13-inch Mac. I think I've got 16 gigs RAM on this and 256 storage. I've got external Seagate 5 TB hard drive, so I'll be using that for storing anything. Plus, as you know, with code, everything is in GitHub in the cloud. So I'm trying to keep very little on here. I want to use it more for the processing power. As you know, we have lots of web apps nowadays that use a lot of RAM. Open up, on my current 2015 Mac, if I open more than, I don't know, a few applications, if I've got like Node running, Docker, or a few database applications, my space kind of runs out. And all you need to be doing with that is running Teams, Slack, or any other chat, application. I tend to have to use most of them in the browser now because opening multiple applications is just limits my memory. And if I'm building a site, for example, in React and Gatsby, etc., that takes its own node modules, which is quite it can be quite challenging. And before you know it, you're running an npm install. You've got all those node files that are downloading every time, which don't feel like much, but it all adds up. Couple that with a few years of OS updates, and then you're using gigs every time. Xcode itself takes 10 gigs when you install it the first time. So yeah, that's the Mac. Classic, designed by Apple in California. I think the stickers are going to be in here as well. Or are they in the book? I'm not sure. They're going to be in here somewhere. So that's that. These papers. There you go. Apple stickers. I still don't know what to use this for because my last Mac, which I can show you my last Mac. Hold on. Yeah, this is my last Mac. As you can see, I went crazy with the stickers. Still no Apple stickers, but yeah. I used this for a good few years already and it still works fine. Back to this one. I mean, yeah, I don't know. If anyone knows what the stickers are for, drop me a comment in the comments. I should just Google it, to be honest with you. As you know, USB-C, so on both ends, so it's pretty much very simple. I'm not sure how that's going to work actually, because I think it might work well. My phone is a Samsung S9, but we're getting S21 soon, and everything is USB-C. I think it's a lot faster with data transfer and a lot, for the power as well, fast charging. Classic power socket stuff, the plug. Don't see the extension cable thing in here, so I think Apple's definitely cutting down on things. And then you got the box, and that is very simply what came in that. I've also purchased this off Amazon, which is the USB kind of hub stuff. I don't want to be left unable to open it. I will do another video for this actually, but I was going to do a separate one. But if I just pause this 1 second. Yeah, so there you go. Might have to do another one just for people that just want to see this. But yeah, so this is the Anchor. Not sure how this is. I just see some reviews on Amazon. But as you can see, this comes with your classic SD card. You got two USB-C ports, classic USB ports, and I think it's micro SD. There's there. I'm gonna check that out soon. But this uses two ports and gives you a few more. I think what they've given me here, it looks like a pouch for it. I'm not thinking it's ever gonna be plugged out, to be honest with you. I did buy a MacBook Pro because if ever I need to, pop into the office. That said, I've been working remotely for a good part of almost 2 years now, and I think it's good in the sense that you save time on traveling and all that stuff. But also you get to put a nice setup, at home, which you could use for your daily development. But yeah, what came in the box? So you got these cables, you got the power socket, a bunch of instructions, and you got the Mac itself. And this piece obviously comes separately, but this obviously will plug into this side here, and we'll kind of, I think it's meant to be the other way. No, it's that way. Yeah, and we'll give you, you can see it just comes with 2 ports on there. On this end, there's only the headphone jack, nothing at the back. So yeah, these 2 ports, if I plug this into here, that takes the 2 ports, but it gives me all these ports here. And I've got the Magic Mouse. This is the version 1. This also, I previously bought this. I'm just going to keep on using it. But yeah, I hope this was useful. And anyone looking to buy a Mac, I'll put another video and let you know how it goes with development. I'm probably going to be doing some videos on installation, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. And if you'd like to see more, let me know.